Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. Today, I am participating in a Cozy Corner or Vignette Open Collaboration, and this collaboration is hosted by Design with Emma and the Grace Light DIY Home Decor. Their co-hosts are Sandy Lynn Home and Garden, Bobby Daly Ruin Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and Dream with Caroline. The theme is blooming flowers. Please go to the ladies' channels and show them some love and support. I will link their channel and the playlist in the description box below. Welcome to my Mackenzie Child Elegant Cozy Corner featuring blooming flowers. Please come in, relax, and enjoy the tour. And I will share with you how I put everything together. The inspiration for my elegant cozy corner are these beautiful kitchen towels that I purchased from Mackenzie Child, along with my inspirational plaque that came from Hobby Lobby, and it reads, "Where God guides, He provides." Isaiah 58:11. My wall clock was also purchased from Mackenzie Child, and I created this adorable vignette using one of my decorative boxes from Mackenzie Child also. I want to introduce you to Mr. Fergie the Frog. Say hello. I added in a little greenery to complete the look. My cute lovebirds are my favorite. And I'm using two of my pedestal vases on each end of my countertop. And I just love how they came with the green bow. And in this vignette, I did this gorgeous floral arrangement. I think this cozy corner turned out absolutely stunning and just perfect for spring and summer. Don't you agree? I hope you enjoyed my Mackenzie Child Elegant Cozy Corner and it gave you lots of inspiration. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you, ladies, for this awesome collaboration and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.